Hi friends! Today we'll learn how to identify symmetry in shapes. Symmetry means one side is a mirror image of the other. If you fold a shape in half and both sides match, it's symmetrical. The line we fold or reflect across is called a line of symmetry. Some shapes have one line of symmetry, others have more. A square has many lines of symmetry. You can fold it in half top to bottom, side to side, and even corner to corner. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. All its sides and angles are equal, so folds match up each time. A heart shape has 1 line of symmetry, right down the middle. This shape has no symmetry. If we try to fold it, the sides don't match. Now you try. Does this rectangle have symmetry? If yes, how many lines? Yes, a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry, one across and one down. Great job finding symmetry today. See you next time.